far left that you can.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
All right, we are at Blue Horizon Lodge. I've got my brother, two of my friends. We're gonna do some quail hunting. We're gonna do a mixed bag of quail, chukar, and pheasant. Been here a couple of years. It's a great spot. So hopefully we're gonna have some live action and a fun hunt. What's up, fellas?
Good, man.
What y'all doing?
What's going on, man? Joe, Kim, Joe. Good to see you, Joe.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too.
How you doing, Mark?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. So, Corey, have you done any bird hunting?
I have done turkey hunting before, but that is it.
That's it?
Yeah.
So you've never done any like fast shooting at birds?
No, I've shot clays. Not well, but I shot them. Yeah, that's been it. That's my experience.
What are you shooting today?
Stoger M3000, semi-automatic shotgun, because I probably will miss a couple times. And
so it's the Stoger S3000 versus the Stoger
M3000.
S. Oh, the M.
Yeah.
M for misses.
M for more birds than you.
So today, me and Corey are going to team up. We're going to be shooting in pairs. And Kim and Josh are going to shoot. You look like you know what you're doing. What you got there?
Yeah, man. This is
oh my gosh,
Caesar Greeny, Magnus.
And you done upland shooting at all?
Man. Last time I did any-kind bird shooting was on a Nintendo.
Hey,
where you hold the
that
where you hold
works.
the gun right up to the screen. Wait for it to pop. Yeah.
Yeah, swing up. Kim, you need to be even with Josh. Yeah, so just be careful. If he swings back, we just gotta make sure to be safe. Wait. I don't know how I missed that one. I got that one.
So they go over there. Anybody shoot?
Yeah, anybody shoots. Yeah, you just gotta be safe.
Yeah, we all looked at it. Looking at it ain't the problem.
Josh, did you get it?
Yeah, I hit it.
Just be careful on that swing. Get it. I think y'all tied on that one.
Share that one, bro. I feel good about that. I tell you what, I feel real good.
I'm gonna have to get another box.
Right up the tailpipe, man.
Quail? Yep. Easy. Now you get it. There's another one in there. Don't forget, there might be another one in there. How in the world did I miss that thing? I kept shooting. I'm pretty sure I've already shot a box.
Watch her this time. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and just be careful when that bird flies, not to panic. Whoa, easy. Just watch where that bird flies and make sure everything's clear. Wait for the, oh! That ain't no bird left. There's another one. There's another one. Corey, good Lord, that's why we let it go. A little further out. I got that in slow-mo, man. I got that in slow-mo. Wait! Do you have full, wait, hold on, do you have full choke in there?
I don't know what I got.
Oh my God! Just be careful on that swing. Oh! I think we all got it.
Alright, so let it get away.
Yeah. Where'd they go? Yeah. There's another one, it's on the ground.
Where?
It's right there. Don't shoot it on the ground now.
Yeah. It's on the ground again. I did it again.
She got it. Shooting at the bird. Is there anything I can say to it? It's still here. Should I say anything to it? That time I did. Good Lord, this thing's got 9 lives.
Where we at?
Let me get away from you. Whoa, whoa. Sorry about that. Is there anything left? Oh! Dang! Oh!
I couldn't shoot because I was
Good shooting. Kim? Another one in there. Good girl. Good girl. She dropped that one and said, let's go. I don't know where this one's gonna go. The anticipation is killing me. I think you got that one. Did all three of us shoot this? Did you shoot Kim? I couldn't tell who, y'all, you shot Josh?
No, I didn't.
Oh, Corey, you got that one. I missed. That was cool. It's right here in front of my foot. Why didn't y'all shoot at it? I don't know why I didn't hit it. I'm sorry, y'all. That was terrible shooting. Sorry about that. All right, y'all want me to be fair this time? Come on. Yeah, give me some help. Okay. Y'all see it?
No, where's it at?
I don't. Oh, it's right in here. I'm gonna try to scare it to go straight out. It's right here.
Yeah, there it is.
Shoot, that was hard. We sure did get some trees, y'all. We got some trees.
Whoa.
Oh, I see it right here.
Where?
Right here, right in front of me. Hey, Kim, get ready. Kim, ready? Right here in front of me. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh no, he's wounded.
Yeah, let's get him. Better. Oh! Get her, man! Got that on tape. That was awesome.
Oh, really?
I did. That was me.
Stepped on it, you mean?
Yeah. I probably did step on it. It's a big one. I'm gonna go far left there, you Kim. Well. I see it right there. It's on the edge right there on those trees, right there. Right here, right in front of me. You want me to jump it up? I'll get ready. Yeah, we all rolled it. Did you shoot?
No, I didn't shoot. I would have shot you. Kim got it.
Kim got it. I think I followed it up with another 2 or 3. I just kept shooting. I just kept shooting. That's a cool little car right there. Looks like a Chevrolet. Yep. Oh my gosh.
That was quick draw again?
I got jammed. Yeah, I got lucky. Yeah. I think we all got it.
I don't care. I just want to know that I got it. That's all.
That's a male. A rooster.
I want to know that I got it.
Oh, that's a pretty picture right there. Did y'all shoot?
I got one. I got one shot in. I don't know. Hey, it was dead when I shot. That thing is beautiful.
That is a pretty bird.
Damn, I was racing. I was gonna go.
That is a beautiful bird.
I just let him. I was like, I'm gonna let him get up in the air a little bit. Beautiful. Corey, I'm wearing left. Okay, come up a little.
Yeah, Kim, let's go! Yes! Mark said I didn't have to have a plug, so I took full advantage of those 5 shots.
Let him have it.
Yeah, yeah.
That one's still going.
See it, man. All right, guys. We had some fun this afternoon. We went to Blue Horizon Quail Preserve in Franklinville. We had my brother Josh, which is manning the camera back there. We had my buddy Corey and his friend Kim. Kim and Corey were the first time quail hunting. They had a blast. It was just nonstop action. We shot 20 quail. Was it 4 pheasant and 3 chukar?
3 pheasant, 3 chukar. We missed 1 chukar.
Yes.
One got
No,
away.
we found it. So we ended up hitting a chukar. The first bird we hit it, and it went over that little warehouse thing.
Yeah.
And that other hunter got it for us.
Oh, he gave
Gave
it
it
to
back
us.
to us. Yeah.
Well, there we go. We came.
So, anyways, we've got
I
the
could have
quail.
sworn he said he
We've
was
got
going to
some
keep
of the
it.
chukar. I deboned the pheasant. I've also used the provider. What's it called? The brick garlic pepper seasoning, and provider the Covey buttery garlic thyme. So we've got our classic poppers here: cream cheese, bacon. You cannot go wrong with that. And then we've got deboned pheasant. We've got the chukar here. You can see the bigger breast. So we're gonna grill some of those with bacon and jalapenos, some without. But I'm gonna show you what the quick recipe is right here. So here's our quail. I've already scooped out the jalapeno. You put the cream cheese in the middle there. Slap her on top right there. Get you a nice piece of bacon. Do a wrapperooski. Yeah. And then you stab a little toothpick in there like that. For the debone piece, I'm gonna do the same thing. This is a pheasant. Slap one on there. I'm gonna use a whole piece of bacon. More bacon, the merrier. Yes. Boom.
More bacon.
Let me try it.
You wanna try to make a piece?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You want to spill?
Give me that piece. Here you go. Put that on top. All right. Now wrap that around there.
Okay.
Around. Like this.
That's not me.
Wrap one. Come on, bring your chair over here, Parker.
Oh.
All right, get the toothpick, Colin. Get the toothpick. Get the toothpick. Stab it in. Stab it. Good job. All right, Parker, you can do the other pheasant. We're not gonna do jalapenos in this one.
No, I want to do the
Big one? Okay.
I want to do a chucker.
We'll do that without.
I want to do a chucker.
Okay. All right. Here, you do it. Here's your bacon right here.
Let me try one.
Here. There.
But,
You want me to hold it?
yeah, and I want to make one without a jalapeno.
Okay.
That can I make another?
I'm gonna get a chucker.
Dad, I really want to make another one.
All right.
Dad,
This is the last one.
I want to do the chucker.
I don't think we're gonna do that one with jalapeno. We're gonna do it with bacon.
Okay.
Don't mind the shoe next to the.
Colin,
Jalapeno
you
popper.
are being get down from the chair, buddy. People are gonna be like, you got shoes in here?
Dad, I'm gonna have that big.
Yeah.
That big piece
Everyone loves a little bit of Vans with the jalapeno pop.
and your quails.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna put those on the grill. We might rub some barbecue sauce on them, but that's it. We got chucker, pheasant, quail. It's gonna be good. We're gonna love it. It's gonna taste
I'm gonna break
great. Well, let's put these quail on there. Quail poppers.
Let me hold that.
You want to hold this and video daddy?
Yeah.
Video daddy. Can you see me?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to be mean. So you better not shoot me. Break it. I told him I'll break it.
No, I like going around. All right, so I did not get to show the final product of the quail poppers. Look at that deliciousness. Yes.